Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to draw Peppa Pig disguised as a fairy. We started by making Peppa Pig's nose so well rounded. Now we do the nose. We draw the holes in his nose and the eyes. We draw a circle and a circle inside. Now a princess and a well-rounded cheek. We keep making the fairy crown. We make the crown peaks. So very well. And now some circles to decorate it. We continue to make the body. We draw on one side and on the other. And now we unite it. The only thing left to do is to make your hands and arms. We draw some wings. And now the feet. So very well. We draw the tail very rounded. And now we make some circles on her dress as an ornament. And so we are drawing one-to-one. We make some glitter for it. That there are superfluous left. And now we review the drawing, but don't leave yet. The funniest part remains to color it. We review everything a little bit. You are doing very well. And now we are starting to give it color. What color is Peppa Pig? We started by making Peppa Pig's face in pink. We start with the nose. And we continue through the rest of our heads. If you are liking the video, you can subscribe and like us. We go over the whole head without leaving the drawing. So very well. You like Peppa Pig. I love it. And his brother George. We continue coloring Peppa Pig as a fairy. You like fairies. Is becoming super chewy. We finished his head. Okay, I didn't forget. And now we do his hands and legs. Also pink. How many fingers Peppa Pig has? Now we change color. We take the color red and we paint his cheeks. Also noses and crown ornaments. Now we take the championship. What the monster will be for? for the crown right. We review the superb crown. Yellow is my favorite color. Now we make some yellow glitters. And we change color. Let's continue for the brown. And we make her dress in green. The tomato. If you are liking the video, you can subscribe and like us. We go over the whole dress. So very well. What color would you like to paint the ornaments of the dress? I like very much, but I don't know if it went well. So maybe blue. We finish the ornaments. And we review the wings in blue. We finish a wing. And the other wing. And it is finished. See you in the next video. See you later.